This is the KarrimorSF Modi 15. It might be a lot smaller than my other rucksacks, but it does pack a powerful punch. The Modi 15 sits in the KarrimorSF Nordic range, along with the Magni 25, the Thor 40 and the mighty Odin 75. As the name suggests, this is a 15-litre rucksack, but it was actually designed with military use in mind to fit a specific requirement for a small patrol pack. In my usual style, let's take a look at this pack from the outside in. In the olive, black, coyote and grey colours, the face fabric is a 500 denier nylon with a 210 denier nylon laminated onto the reverse face to increase strength and durability. This pack is also coated with a durable water repellent to add a level of weatherproof protection. And if you choose a multi-cam version of the Modi 15, then your pack will be manufactured using a 500 denier infrared reflective fabric. The Modi 15 is assembled using strong rot-proof thread and top quality components, such as world-leading YKK zips, which are well known for their reliability and longevity. Let's take a look at the load carrying side. The well-padded back has a good level of rigidity, but it's not solid, which makes it really comfortable in use. There's a grab handle at the top for when you want to manhandle the pack, but you don't need to use the shoulder harnesses. The Modi 15, like the larger packs in the Nordic range, has this comfortable, adjustable and padded S-shaped shoulder harness. On each strap or each side of the harness are these handy D-rings. And on the left-hand strap is this elasticated retainer that I would use for controlling hydration hoses. The adjustable sternum strap could be removed completely, or it could be moved up or down the harness to suit. Personally, I keep the sternum strap attached because I use this pack a lot when I'm cycling, and the sternum strap helps to keep the shoulder harnesses in place. Now let's take a look at the storage and some of the other features. The back and sides of the Modi 15 feature these laser cut webbing panels for MOLLE attachments. That results in a discreet but very functional feature, and in my opinion it actually adds to the aesthetic appeal of the Modi 15. I do actually use some MOLLE attachments on my Modi 15. For example, when I'm travelling, depending on where I'm going and what I'm doing when I get there, I often have my emergency IA pouch so that I know that my trauma kit is quickly and easily available. There's a Velcro patch for attaching identification flashes or instructions. But usually if I want my ID, my stamp on my packs, I always rely on kit tags. One glance, no mistake. At the top of the pack, accessible from the outside, behind a two-way zipper is this useful fleece line compartment. The inside of the Modi 15, like all of the packs in the KarrimorSF Nordic range, is accessed through this clamshell opening system, which gives immediate access to the full interior of the pack. Inside the Modi 15 there is one main compartment, but the storage in that compartment has been ridiculously well thought out. Against the back panel is this webbing for MOLLE, which was designed to secure electronic or radio equipment. The Velcro exit ports at the top of the pack were originally designed for antennas or headsets. I use mine as exit ports for hydration hoses. You could store a hydration bladder in this compartment. As I mentioned earlier, I often use the Modi 15 as a day pack when I'm cycling, so being able to drop in a hydration bladder like this is really useful. The back panel of the Modi 15 is fully compartmentalised to make organisation of your kit really simple. The compartment that I've used to hold a hydration bladder is actually a padded laptop compartment, and there are a range of designed pouches and zip pockets to hold everything else that you may need. And inside the opening flap are even more zip pockets for storing and organising gear. Inside the Modi 15 on both sides are these really useful elasticated stuff pouches, which still leaves this main void for anything else that you may need or want to carry. I've found this particularly useful when I've travelled for consultancy work or speaking engagements. The Modi 15 in effect becomes my mobile office, and with careful packing and packing choices, I can take a wash kit and a change of clothes. And this pack is small enough to be considered as carry-on or cabin luggage by most airlines, which makes airport transitions much faster. The Modi 15 must be my most used pack, and that's because it's just so versatile. I use the Modi 15 as my laptop and commuting bag. I use it as my cabin luggage when I'm flying. It makes a fantastic small day pack. It's comfortable and it carries enough. It holds enough kit and water for a day out with the dogs. It converts into a fantastic fishing backpack, which is brilliant for roving fishing, whether that's along the coast, hunting trout along the river, or wandering up into the mountaintop lakes. It makes a brilliant camera bag. It's just big enough for my DSLR, a couple of lenses, some accessories, and a tripod attached to the Molly webbing. And I do use the Modi 15 as my emergency go bag or grab bag if I'm driving around the UK for work. I don't mean kind of full-on zombie apocalypse stuff. I'm talking about real stuff that could help me should I get stuck anywhere or come across an emergency situation. I'll do another video on that. There are loads of things that you can do with this pack. That's just a few examples from my life. And mine's grey, and I love this colour. Other packs in the KarrimorSF ranges are available in grey. Take a look on the website. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, wherever the subscribe button is. Be good, be brilliant, be awesome. And remember, if I can help you in any way, get in touch. Let's have a conversation and make good stuff happen. See ya.